It's the most wonderful time of the year. Hello and happy holidays, my friends. Ellen here. I welcome all you back to my southern kitchen. Hope all of you had a wonderful Thanksgiving being with your family and staying safe and healthy. It's my favorite time of the year, the holiday season. Oh, I just love the decorations, the Christmas lights, the Christmas tree. Oh, it is so magical. Eggnog is a staple during the holidays. So to kick off my holiday recipes, I'm going to share with all of you some eggnog waffles. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. And it's going to be full of eggnog goodness. These waffles just melt in your mouth. Perfect for your holiday breakfast or brunch and on Christmas morning. Your whole family's going to enjoy these. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my holiday recipes playlist from eggnog French toast to snowball cookies and my previous video, shrimp deviled eggs. I'll post links to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your eggnog, your flour and spices, and heat up your waffle maker sugar because we're about to cook some eggnog waffles magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is whip up our egg whites. In my bowl, I have 2 extra large egg whites, and we're going to use the yolks later in the batter. So we're going to whip this on high speed until they're stiff white peaks. Alright, my friends, this is what our egg whites look like. Fluffy, like clouds. That looks great. So now we're going to set the egg whites aside while we work on the batter. In my large bowl, I have 1 3/4 cup of self-rising flour. And in 2-hour flour, we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. We're going to give these dry ingredients a quick whisk until they're well incorporated. Alright, so now we're going to make a well in the center. Now we're ready to add the wet ingredients. 2 extra large egg yolks. 1/4 cup of canola oil. 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I melted and cooled. 1/2 teaspoon of pure rum extract. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And last but not least, the star of the show, the eggnog. We're going to add in 1½ cups. And we're going to fold all these ingredients together until they're well incorporated. Smells good. Love the smell of eggnog. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish mixing all my ingredients in, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing up my batter, and this is what it looks like. And it's okay if it be a little lumpy. Now it's time to add in our last ingredient, our egg whites that we made earlier. And fold this in. Alrighty, my friends, our waffle batter is complete. So now we're going to set this aside while we heat up the waffle maker. Alright, my friends, our waffle maker is nice and hot. So now I'm going to open it. So now I'm going to spray my waffle maker with some cooking spray. Or you can use butter. So I'm going to use my 1/3 cup measurement. And we're going to spoon the waffle batter into the waffle maker. Like so. Okay. So now we're going to cover it. And we're going to cook the waffle until they're golden brown. Alright, my friends, let's take a look at the waffle. Oh yeah, gorgeous. Nice and golden brown. So now while the waffle's still hot, we're going to brush it with a little melted butter. Like so. Love the smell of waffles cooking. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and place my waffle on the plate, and then I'll finish cooking the rest and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through cooking my waffles. I have 2 on my plate, and there's a couple more things we're going to add to it. Some fresh whipped cream, dusting of cinnamon, and some maple syrup. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Eggnog waffles. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Oh yeah, beautiful texture. Look at that. Have a bite. It's light and tender. I can taste the eggnog, and I like that little hint of rum. 'Tis the season for eggnog. These waffles are spectacular, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. I'm going to grab me some whipped cream. Yum-o. Eggnog waffle-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram, or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Stay safe. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.